Today I'm going to discuss ledger. I'm going to start this chapter ledger. Okay, this is chapter 8 of your book ledger. I'm going to start it. Try to understand the concept of what is the meaning of ledger. Okay, and previous video already I have discussed general basic concepts of accountings. Okay, goods and service tax. Each and every chapter I have already discussed in my previous video. If you have not seen my previous video, then you will face also problem. Today I am going to start ledger. What do you mean by ledger? I am going to start it. Please see the video, okay, and try to understand it. This is ledger. At first, I will discuss what is the meaning of ledger. Meaning of ledger. Try to understand the meaning of ledger. Transactions are recorded in journal. After recording the transaction, they are posted to the relevant account in the ledger. Okay. All transaction first you will record in journal, then you will record in ledger. All the accounts put together make a ledger. Okay. This is the definition of ledger. Okay. Trying to understand the concept of it. Okay. A ledger may be defined as a book which contains in a summarized and classified form a permanent records of all transactions. It is the most important book of accounts since the trial balance is drawn from it and form of the trial balance. Okay, it means what? Financial transactions are prepared, hence ledger is called the principal book of an account. Okay, so this is the meaning of ledger. Now I am going to start the problem and solution of the this is the format of ledger. How will you draw the format? I have already written here. Okay, the name of the account, what is it? This is the format of ledger. What is format? Clear? This is format of ledger. This is the format of ledger. Okay, at first you will write date, particulars, JF, amount, date, particular, JF, amount. Okay, and name of the account. Suppose you have opened cash account, there here you will write the cash account. Capital account, here you write the capital account. Okay, this is the name of ledger. Here you will write. Clear? I think you can see it very well without any problem. Name of the account, here you will write it. Okay, this is format. Please take the screenshot of this format. Okay, you have taken the screenshot, very good. Now I am going to discuss the problem and solution of ledger. Okay, which type of problem I am going to discuss it. Please take the screenshot of this problem. This is generalize the following transaction and post them into ledger account. At first you will make journal entries of these questions, then you will post it into ledger. Already I have discussed and made many videos on journal chapter. Okay, if you have not seen my previous video journal chapter, then you cannot understand properly of ledger, because they are connected with each other, journal and ledger. Okay, journal and ledger. If you don't know how to pass the journal entries of journal, how to pass the journal, how to pass transaction, if you don't have any knowledge regarding journal, then you cannot understand properly of ledger. So it is my request, students, to please see the journal chapter. Okay, then you can understand the ledger properly. Okay, the journalize the following transaction and post them into ledger account. 2018 April 1, Ramesh started business with cash 1 lakh. You know very well what is the entry of it. Cash account debit to capital, paid into bank account debit to cash, bought goods for cash, purchase account debit to cash, drew cash from bank account debit to cash. At first you will make journal entries. Okay, then you can post it from in ledger. Okay, at first I will post it into journal. Okay, so this is the format of journal. Already I have discussed in the chapter 7. This is format of journal. Okay, how will you pass journal? How will you pass? So at first you will my first question is what? My first question is given here. Ramesh started business with cash. So what is the journal? Ramesh started business with cash. Okay, so cash account debit. Okay, in the books of Ramesh Journal 2018 April 1 date particular JF sorry LF debit credit. Okay, amount. The cash account debit to Ramesh. Okay, cash account debit to cash account debit to not Ramesh. Ramesh here you will write cash account debit to capital. Ramesh here you write in the books of Ramesh. Okay, cash account debit to capital. Question is what? Started business with cash. Cash account debit to capital. Amount is already given in the question. Clear? And here you will write being the amount invested, being the business started with cash. In this way you will write each and every transaction. Okay, and April 2. Next question is what? Your next question is paid into bank. So bank account debit to cash. Bank account debit to cash. ठीक है? Okay. How amount is 70,000 and 70,000. Okay. And narration here you will write being the amount paid into bank. Being the amount paid into the bank. Here you will write the narration. Okay. April 3. Question is what? Bought goods for cash. The purchase account debit to cash. How much? Purchase account debit to cash. How much amount? 5,000. What is the narration? Here you will write the narration. Being the goods purchase for cash. And next April 4. April 4 drew cash from bank for office use. So cash account debit to bank. Cash account debit to bank. Here you will write the amount 1,000 and 1,000. Okay. Clear? Cash account debit to, what is the narration of it? Being the cash withdrawn from bank. Now you will post it into ledger account. How will you post? I am going to discuss it. How many accounts you will open? First cash. First account you will open cash. Second capital. Third bank. Cash already. Fourth purchase. 4 account you will open. You will have to open it. Now I have opened. I will open 4 account. This is cash account. This is capital account. This is bank account 3 and 4 purchase account. The 4 account you will have to open. Okay. Try to understand. My first question is what? Started business with cash. So cash account debit to capital. Cash account debit to capital. Understand? I think you can see it in a very easy way. I think you can see it. This is date particular JF rupees, date particular JF rupees. Cash account. This is ledger. This is ledger. Okay. Ledger account. Understand? Now I am going to start the solution of this problem. Try to understand how will you pass the ledger account. Okay. Try to understand. So first is that cash account debit to cash. So here you will write cash account debit to cash account debit to capital. So here you will write to capital. To capital 1 lakh. And in cash you will write to capital, and in capital you will write by cash. In capital you will write by cash. ओके, इट मीन्स व्हाट? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इन हिंदी. कैश में हम लोग टू कैपिटल लिखेंगे और कैपिटल में बाई कैश लिखेंगे. कैश में कभी कैश नहीं होगा और कैपिटल में कभी कैपिटल नहीं होगा. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट बैंक टू कैश. बैंक टू कैश. कैश बीइंग द अमाउंट पेड इनटू बैंक. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. तो इन बैंक टू कैश 2018 here you will write April 2 बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, अमाउंट यू विल राइट 70,000। बैंक में आप लोग टू कैश लिखेंगे, इन बैंक यू विल राइट टू कैश एंड इन कैश यू विल राइट, हाँ, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, सॉरी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश। बैंक में आप लोग कैश टू कैश लिखेंगे और कैश में आप लोग क्या लिखेंगे, बाई बैंक, बाई बैंक लिखेंगे जो कितना 70,000। क्लियर हो गया। परचेस बीइंग द गुड्स परचेस फॉर कैश, तो परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, ठीक है, परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश। तो कैश में आप लोग लिखेंगे बाई परचेस, बाई परचेस, कैश में आप लोग क्या लिखेंगे, बाई परचेस 5,000। अब परचेज में, परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, परचेज में टू कैश क्या लिखेंगे, परचेज में टू कैश, ठीक है। अब सेम डेट में आई थिंक यू कैन सी इट, परचेज में आप लोग लिखेंगे क्या, टू कैश, दिस इज परचेज अकाउंट, हियर यू विल राइट टू कैश, अप्रैल 3 टू कैश, टू कैश कितना लिखेंगे आप लोग, 5,000, ठीक है, हम टू कैश। नेक्स्ट विथड्रू कैश फ्रॉम बैंक, तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, ड्रू कैश फ्रॉम बैंक फॉर ऑफिस यूज, तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, कैश में आप लोग लिखेंगे बाई बैंक और बैंक में लिखेंगे आप लोग टू कैश, कैश में आप लोग लिखेंगे क्या, बाई बैंक, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, ठीक है, कैश में आप लोग लिखेंगे बाई बैंक और बैंक में लिखेंगे आप लोग टू कैश, विथड्रू कैश फ्रॉम बैंक, ओके। क्या क्वेश्चन हम लोग का, ड्रू कैश फ्रॉम बैंक फॉर ऑफिस यूज, तो एंट्री क्या हुआ, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, यानी कैश में हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, टू बैंक लिखेंगे जो है, कैश में टू बैंक हम लोग लिखेंगे जो है, कैश में टू बैंक, डेट क्या है जो है 4, कैश में टू बैंक, ठीक है, हमें अमाउंट है 1,000 रुपये जो है, कैश में टू बैंक और बैंक में बाई कैश, डेट क्या है 3 तारीख, 3 नहीं 4 तारीख, 4 जुलाई 2018 अप्रैल 1, हाँ, कैश में टू बैंक और बैंक में बाई कैश, बैंक में क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग, बाई कैश 1,000, ओके। आप लोग क्या करेंगे, क्लोज कर देंगे इसको जो है, क्लोज इट, ओके। सभी को क्या कर देना है, क्लोज कर देना है, क्लियर। टोटल कितना आ रहा है जो है, हियर इज टोटल इज 1 लाख, तो यार ये राइट 1 लाख, 1 लाख, तो 1 लाख क्या जोड़ने से आ रहा है जिसको, यहाँ तो यहाँ तो बाई कैश है, जोड़ दिया वहाँ 1 लाख, यहाँ क्या है कुछ नहीं है, तो टू बैलेंस सी डी, जिधर कम होगा सी डी, टू बैलेंस सी डी 1 लाख, ठीक है, सी डी 1 लाख, क्लियर। हियर 1 लाख 1,000, 1 लाख 1,000, तो बाई बैलेंस अप्रैल 30, बाई बैलेंस सी डी, ओके। 1 लाख 1,000 में से 75,000 माइनस कर दीजिए, कितना, ओके, 1 लाख 1,000 में से 70 प्लस 75,000 माइनस कर दीजिए, कितना आ रहा है 26,000। क्लियर। एंड कैपिटल में here not April 1, okay, 30, here you will write 30 to balance CD, understand, and here you will also write April 30, okay, understand. Bank में next last bank, where is high amount 70,000, then here you will write 70,000 by balance CD April 30, 70,000. What is the difference? 69,000. 79 plus 1, 70,000. Clear? I have already closed it now. This here is 69,000. Again here write May 1, to balance CD. To balance CD. How much? Here is 69,000. So here you will also write 69,000. Understand? And here is by balance CD 26,000. Okay. So here you will write May 1. Month you will change the month. To balance BD. How much? 26,000. In this way you will convert it, CD and BD. Now I am going to close the purchase account. Which account? Purchase account. Which account? Purchase account. This is purchase account. 5,000. Here you will write purchase how much? To balance CD 5,000, and here you will write buy balance. Here you will write buy balance CD 5,000. You will close it 5,005 for that buy balance CD 5,000. Okay, in buy balance CD 5,000 30 April 30 you will write, okay, and you will convert it to balance CD by 1. Okay, in this way you will do it. Okay, so in this video I have discussed what is ledger. Okay, how will you pass the numerical solve problem I have already discussed in this video. Next video I will discuss next topic. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment it.